For this exercise, simply place one foot in front of the other and hop up. As you hop, switch the position of the front and the back foot. Repeat at a comfortable pace to last for the entire duration.
Ten seconds left. Last exercise.
This exercise requires you to hop and twist at the same time. As you hop, make sure you twist in the opposite direction as your toes. This is the last exercise. Let's give it our best shot.
Ten seconds left. Workout complete. You have earned my respect for now.